today we are gonna do a day tour with a boat to the Great Barrier Reef. It was a python, more than 2 meters.
It's Sunday the 7th of October and we are at Mossman Gorge, which is part of the Daintree National Park, but way more far away than where we were yesterday. We're gonna do a nice walk over here in the nature.
Morning, it's Monday. We are back in Cairns and today we are gonna do a day tour with a boat to the Great Barrier Reef. We're going to 2 different locations for snorkeling, and yeah, we will bring the GoPro and show you how the Great Barrier Reef looks. That was a nice day tour to the Great Barrier Reef, and tomorrow again road tripping.
Good morning in beautiful Australia. We woke up on a free campsite, which was pretty nice with some toilets over there, and it was yeah, a nice way to stay. Now we're on our way to Wndrflw, which hopefully will be super huge waterfalls, but at the moment our view is already fantastic. Look at this. And we're not even there yet. It's beautiful over here and we were enjoying just the view. I will show you later. Listen to some music, have some nice talks about the plans we're gonna do. But suddenly Tim had to brake like a mofo because look what's there. Because it's laying in the shadow, but there's a huge ass snake. You see, there's the tail and it goes all the way to there. So Tim tries now to pass it by without hurting him or her. Let's see. Moving!
So we could pass it by, and the guy in the other car waiting, he told us it was a python. More than 2 meters python. So he said it's not like a toxic one or something, but it just will try to strangle you. So
he just tries to strangle you.
Yeah, it's
nothing
not
more.
so dangerous, he said. But we're happy we could pass it by, and now we go to the waterfalls. The Wndrflw is a 268 meters waterfall, and the water down there is 20 meters deep. Pretty impressive. And now we will fly to it.
after hike. At the moment we're walking to the waterfall and we have to walk down, and it's super nice nature again. Actually, it's like a beautiful rainforest and not just nature.
That was a really nice waterfall, and now we are on our way back to find a stay for the night.
Early bird alarm. It's Sunday the 14th of October. We did some like wild camping. Tim drove us already to the beach. So this is here. Where are we now? Tim is over there making coffee for us. Oh yeah. We just forgot to tell you that we have a name for our new home, and that's Sena. And Sena is made from the word Sanang, which means beautiful in the Balinese language.